Hello mga ka-IK and welcome to the 5th episode of Insurance Connect, a webinar produced by Insurance Co kung diin maghahatag kita sa mga life tips para sa ating mga audience and how to leverage our insurance plans. Kami ang inyong host, ako si Arman.
Kag ako naman si Ching. Subo nga adlaw partner no is a very exciting episode gid, especially sa aton mga viewers nga bag-o lang graduate no from senior high school and college. So ang pamangkot naton sa ila partner is ready na bala sila sa matuod nga adulting.
Yes, partner, like being independent and paying your own bills. First step na dira partner is to apply for a job and be hired. So dumduman ko pa ganun isang una partner na pag-graduate ko. After a month, I decided right away to apply for a job kay super gid ka excited. I went to Manila but lack of experience wala ako patience sa pag-apply. I become jobless for a year. Then I went back to Iloilo to settle for a job as a training 100 pesos ang allowance kada adlaw. So until such time that I build my confidence kag network and found the job that suits well as an IT graduate. So ikaw ya partner, ano ang imong job hunting experience?
Yes, partner, so after graduation, mga 3 months man ako actually nga sa balay lang kasi syempre wala ka man obrahon kumbaga. And then from there, I started sending resumes man sa iba't ibang employer hoping for an opportunity to get hired also. So actually, very anxious man ako kay and uneasy kay kahit pa paano may waiting time siya bla partner and never assured kagid man if ma-call back ang imo nga employer or ang ginpasahan mo sang resume. So as also the same as you partner no nga wala man ako work experience and also wala akong kabalo kung anong akon nga full capacity.
Correct partner. So I'm sure lain-lain ang aton nga mga experiences, no? So sa aton nga mga viewers, no, please share sa aton nga comment sections or comments ninyo sa aton comment section below kung ano ang mga inyong work experiences during the applications.
Yes. So basta newbie gani partner no or fresh graduate, expected kita nga damo sa mga positive and also negative experiences. But dapat open-minded lang gid kita to learn about the job and also a good attitude is important.
Speaking of attitude, today ang aton special guest is an expert in all things about career. So and that includes the right character, values and attitude. So we have invited a life and career coach to share para sa aton nga mga fresh graduates some tips to help them jumpstart their professional journey.
Life coaching is becoming a trend which started during the pandemic, especially nga kadamo gid sang nagakinahanglan sang mental health support. So from there, dira nagwa or nag-sprout ang different specialized coaches, counselors, and mentors. So partner Arman, our guest today is a credible guide when it comes to careers. She started working as a freelance media producer sang manugsulod pa lang ang Nickelodeon sa Philippines in year 1999, and she was only 19 years old at that time. She also became an associate TV producer in ABS-CBN Manila Channel 2 in year 2003. Ventured into business and entrepreneurship in 2006, a human resource training officer and college instructor with Central Philippine University in year 2009, teaching advertising, multimedia, film, business, and tourism and hospitality subjects. She left the academe to pursue the virtual industry as a brand and digital marketing professional, a PRC licensed real estate broker, and now a cognitive behavioral therapy and neurolinguistic programming coach.
Our speaker is well-rounded indeed.
Yes.
She keeps learning, exploring industries. Whatever she learns, gina-channel niya gid na sa iya mga ventures. She runs a digital agency called Brand Hive, a consultancy firm, Velasquez Corporate Management Services, with her husband, and her training and development hub, Next, which stands for Knowledge, Excellence, and Transformation. Subong adlaw, in short amount of time, I hope you get to learn a lot from her. So, pamati gid kita sang maayo.
So sa ating mga viewers, without further ado, let us welcome CBT NLP Life and Career Coach, Shay Velasquez. Welcome to Insurance Connect, ma'am.
Mayong hapon. Good day to everyone who is watching us today in Insurance Connect. Thank you for inviting me, Arman and Ching. It is truly a privilege to be here and to be your guest today. I hope that we'll have an exciting time sharing experiences and as well as tips to our viewers who are going through their transitions in life.
So welcome gid Miss Shay or Coach Shay sa Insurance Connect. So maumpisa kita into basics gani nga ginasiling nila. So what is the important piece of advice you have for students who are about to graduate or nag-graduate na and enter to the professional world?
Okay. So, the life of a professional is totally different from your life during your university days. So, one thing that I would like you to prepare for is that remember the professional journey is something that's so different from the life that you've experienced the last 17 years, no, since you were kindergarten up to senior high school. So, some of us or some of you who have recently graduated or about to graduate are looking at this new season in your life. Maybe some of you are afraid, some of you are anxious, no, nakulbaan. But here's what I can encourage you. Be curious. I think of all the characteristics that we have forgotten growing up, no, it's curiosity. So, instead nga makulbaan, kabala, try asking yourself nga, ano ni siya, what is this? What am I learning from this? No? Because everything and anything that we encounter in life are our teachers. So, our graduates no, are coming from different walks of life. Some of them are excited to graduate because graduation means freedom. Some of them maybe are still not ready to leave the home. So, diri lang ko anay, upod ko si mommy kag si daddy. Some of them have bigger responsibilities that the family may need them to assist or to contribute in breadwinning. So, kinahanglan nila makapangita din some jobs, no? So, because of these differences in their life aspects, they need to open up their minds no, to the different experiences that they may encounter. Whatever and whoever comes your way, no, remember that they are your teachers in this university called life.
Gina-prepare, ready na bilang question na is ano gaano ka ready bilang aton nga mga graduates.
Yes, aside sa aton nga curiosity is actually it takes courage also Coach Shay, no? Because we are venturing out of the four walls of the university, no?
Correct.
Wherein nga wala na kita sang masyado kilala. Everything is new. People, place, and also the environment. So, as a fresh graduate, coaching, aside from the curiosity and also the courage, since wala pa bala sang work experiences, tanan nato nila nga na experiences within the university lang. When it comes to the resume, Coach Shay, no, what will we do as a fresh graduate, let's say, to stand out among the rest? Kay also, tanan naman nga students subong are being competitive. They
Correct.
also wanted to land a job because, as you've mentioned, Coach Shay, they wanted freedom. They wanted also independence.
Correct.
So, what will be your tips when it comes to the resume?
Okay. So, tanan nga, all individuals, all graduates, may ara sang ginatawag nga kinaiya. They all have their strengths, weaknesses, and they have their God-given opportunities as well as threats and challenges that they need to prepare for. So how are they going to prepare their resume without job experiences? So number one, look back and recall your co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Even ang mga projects no, that you have worked with your classmates or probably mga special projects that you have taken on. So you can highlight these activities in your resume and show and share in your resume also highlight what lessons you learned from these projects or from these co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Second is if you have a thesis paper, no, or you are having your OJT, so that is actually a work experience per se that you can highlight also in your resume. And here's another tip that's not usually done. I don't see this sa mga resumes that I have encountered before during my time as an HR consultant. Siguro maybe the graduates could try this out. How about highlighting yung mga subjects wherein you had high grades? The good thing about highlighting subjects wherein you had high grades is that the TOR can validate that, your transcript of records. na iya may proof of may proof na siya nga you are actually telling the truth. So for example, your highest subject is, let's say, special projects, no? So butang mo the special projects, and then you explain that you had a high grade, maybe 1.0, a perfect grade, or 1.25 or 1.5. And for me, as an HR practitioner, that's something unique in the resume, and that could be a conversation starter. So also, your teachers would invite you and take you to seminars and workshops. So attend these seminars and workshops and gather certificates. And if you're still in school, take time to participate in extracurricular activities. Kaya sa extracurricular activities, that's where your skills are honed and your leadership skills are also emerging. Kaya you work with a team.
Buka namin gid siya. Miss Shay pamatian sang imong
Tip.
tips.
Yeah.
So ang pinaka the best gid nga tips nga mahatag ni Miss Shay is i-highlight gid naton ang aton nga skills kag ang aton nga strength
Yes.
sa aton nga resume kay kumbaga ang resume naton is amo nang pinaka first nga makita before ikaw magkadto sa isa ka interview kag it reflects yourself para sa imong future employer. So
kaghapon if I may interject, no, Arman,
Yeah.
hapos siya actually istoryahan. It's easy to talk about your skills. Nga why mo
Correct,
gininvento, no?
Yes.
Mas
Yeah.
hapos kaga-flow ang interview. Kaya
Correct.
you don't have to come up with something that you're not proficient about.
Correct, Miss Shay. So, agree gid ko da sa imo, Miss Shay, nga sa pag-ubra natin sa resume, it's kung anong ginabutang mo, it's yourself that
Yes.
you're selling or your worth that you are selling sa imong future employer. Then may ara man gani saying, Miss Shay, no, aside from putting up a good resume para mag-excel sa iban nga mga job applicants. So may ara man saying your network is also your net worth. So ano naman ang pamangkot ko da Miss Shay, is how important is networking or connecting with people kag paano mo umpisahan ang pag-network.
Okay. So the networking that we're talking about is not the marketing na model, no? The networking that we're talking about, that what Arman mentioned, is connecting with people. So
Yeah.
where does networking start? Networking begins actually with your teachers and your classmates while you're still in the university. So backtrack tayo ng konti. Sa university pa lang, while you're still in school, no? Start developing or establishing a good relationship with your teachers, and especially your terror teachers. Because sometimes, students avoid them. Hindi ko na yung mag-enroll kay ma'am, kay karadukan na siya, no? Nubo maghatag grade, challenging ang iya class, budlay ang iya nga exams. But then, you know what? There is a huge value with establishing a relationship with a terror teacher. When you gain that teacher's respect, no? It will go a long way as a professional. Kaya siya mismo ang ma-recommend sa imo to others, no? That this student really stood his ground, stood her ground, even though ginahadlok na ginasindak namon siya sa sulod sa classroom, he's still, very diligent with his or her projects, and they will put in a good word for you. And if you have survived the difficult class or a difficult teacher, you can survive anything in the professional world. So namin na siya nga training platform. So other side naman of establishing a relationship with teachers. For example, ako, when I used to teach in the university, whenever I'm going to assemble a team for the projects that I have now in my business, I tap first yung my former students or the teachers who were my students before. Ginatap ko kung sino mga students nila that they can recommend for my project. Why? Because sang time namon in our relationship before as teacher and student, kilala ko na ang ilang handiwork, kabalo ko kung ano ang style nila mag-work, ang attitudes nila. So it's not difficult anymore to adjust, and then I can easily recommend them to others who would ask, no, who can you recommend for this position? May vacancy kami, di ba? Kasi may ara kasang kilala. So, another one is attend professional gatherings. And tunlon mo gidang huya mo, work on your timidity or shyness. Di ka mahuya, reach out, no? Especially when there are thought leaders, right? Kaya kung kisa, it's rare that you can encounter, let's say, a big sino ba ang thought leader ang pwede natin ma-exemplify. Si Francis Kong, for instance, you attended a leadership workshop, you know? So network with the leaders who are there and learn from them. So follow them on social media, comment on their posts, and when they get to know you, no, they can recommend you to others as well. And then here's something when you start with your job. Your first job is very important, and the relationships that you build on your first job is very important. Your supervisors will be the one, no, to help you increase your value, okay? And when you develop good relationships in your first job, you start to learn well. So learn before you earn. So kahit nga maski nga low ang salary, no, remember you're a fresh graduate, you're still building your value. So learn as much as you can. Pick a company that even though it's low ang salary niya, damo kagid matun-an dito. And when your supervisors, when your colleagues see that you do your work well, they will be the ones to scramble and, you know, offer you the right compensation, no? So because they know your value, they will either keep you, or if they cannot afford you anymore, they will be the ones to recommend, no, kuhaan siya because worth it gid to be working with this person. So remember, when you're within your network, no, tandaan nyo gid na how your name comes up in conversations, how you are being talked about in conversations matter. So those people who need you in conversations, they will look for you. Those people who are impressed about you will talk about you and your strengths. Those people who don't like you will put you down, but those people who care about you will be the ones to defend you and push forward your value.
Yes, very good gina siyang advice, Coach Shane. Actually, do na even us nga working actually for almost 10 years na for my part B. And then do ano siya bala ang tip mo actually nga network is very important, partner, no? Ang syempre recommendations ng aton nga mga teammates and those who know us is important. Pero what is more important is you know your value also.
Correct.
It starts within the self mo. Kumbaga, you work hard for it. You know your capacity, and then you also believe na the company needs you because of what you know, because of your strength also. So, Coach Shane, no, ang sang for the years na since you started working 1999, no, and then up to now that you're managing your own company with people below you also, no. So after all the experiences, Coach Shade, do you have like realizations, or do you have any advice for your younger self, or what is the only thing you wish you knew before you started your career?
I have a lot of advice, but since we are pressed for time or limited at on time, I'll narrow it down to 3. So the first advice that I would give is do your best to make wise decisions. If you think that you don't know how to make wise decisions, seek advice and seek counsel from other people to help you make wise decisions. The second advice I would give myself is trabaho muna bago love life, or trabaho and build meaningful relationships, no? Trabaho muna before love life, because when you work, you give back to yourself. Okay, you give back to yourself, and you're building up yung financial stability. Kaya may love life ka na, you start caring for another person, gasto man ang investment mo na siya. So, unahan na, invest na sa kagalingon, and then build meaningful relationships so that later on, you know, pag nagka-love life na, when it's time, you have the same goals, you have the same values, and you can help each other in your career growth. And the third is the reason why I'm here in this in the coaching industry is because I wish, no, I intentionally sought for a mentor and a coach because we have this world has been existing for millions of years already, and there are so many life lessons that we can learn nga hindi ta ma-learn tanan in our lifetime. So the best thing to do is seek advice from those who have been there and done that, because we cut the process. So imagine they've experienced that for 20 years. Kayo ka advice, ano himuon ko sa amo sini nga situation? I don't need to go through it for 20 years again. I can sit, have coffee with a mentor and coach, or probably treat my mentor and coach for dinner, or pay for a mentor and coach, and in within 2 hours I get the answers that 20 years niya na learn. So, di ba?
Yeah.
That really saves time. So, those are the
Yes.
three things that I would advise my younger self.
Gani. So, tandaan nyo gid na ha. Work danay and this love life. Then if kung makadugang ako mi Shay, no. So sa mga younger nga mga generations kag sa mga bag-o kag sa fresh graduates nga gapangita sang obra or naga-start pa lang sa ilang nga career, hindi gid kamo makulbaan or don't be afraid nga to make mistakes.
Yes.
Kay laba pa ang lifespan naton to correct that mistakes. Makulbaan ka lang kung ara ka na sa 70, 80 kay base hindi mo na makorek, di ba? Di ba? Correct ni Shay. So kung may ano ka, kung may mga pamangkot gid, hindi mo guyaw-ya sa imong mga boss, sa imong mga senior, sa imong mga upod kay sila mga experts na agyana nila, and believe me, a good mentor na maka-guide sa imo during sa imo nga work ma-enhance kag pasaka gid ang imo nga skills
Yes.
throughout sa career mo or sa professional work nimo.
Kagad ang ma-add na ko partner no sa ginambabla ni Coach Shay, keep being curious. Kay actually being curious naga-open kina siya sang a lot of opportunities, not for yourself only. Syempre mas more pag actually makilala imo nga self, nga mas mamalaan pag imo nga strength, and it would also open another door for you as an opportunity. So keep being curious lang. There's no problem on being curious, like keep asking questions or wanted to open or know more about a certain thing. There's no problem about that.
Correct. So do gusto ko pa ganita ni nga dugangan ng ni Michelle ang mga tips kay daw very interesting gid dako gid mabulig sa aton yung mga younger generations. So but before we wrap up, no, last thing, Miss Shay or Coach Shay, ano ang mga tips naman ang mahatag mo on how to balance ang work and personal life?
Earning money is exciting, di ba? Makabaton kasi ang salary tugkanado kapag magtrabaho. But you know what? The Bible gives the best advice. Work for 6 days and then rest on the 7th day. You need to recharge. You need to recharge your spiritual aspect in your life. You need to recharge your mind. No? Imagine the amount of mental work that you do from Mondays to Fridays or even Saturdays. And then you need to recharge your body, rest and sleep. And in your social life as well, di naman na pag-neglect, because being with people enriches also our lives, and then they are our source of happy hormones. So ang aton nga happiness, no, mas ma-enrich na siya if and then our life will continue to be balanced if number one, we don't just work hard, we work smart. No, so ang nanamian ko gid nga quote, no, and I tell this myself, no, na pick your battles. Kaya sometimes ang nagapa-stress sa aton is if we get into battles or situations that actually hindi naman kita kinahanglan nga magsawsaw pa dira. You know, so pick your battles. Kung hindi mo man na battle, then leave it to somebody else. Nga, that's his battle, that's not yours. Okay, so let's work smart, right? Eat well. Your older, and I think this is one of the advice that I would give my younger self, your older self will thank you for it if you have healthy habits as young as 20s, no, and 30s. It doesn't mean that you're earning your own money. You start splurging on the unhealthy food that that you can afford. No, much better kung set aside ka gid some budget to prioritize your well-being and your health. And then for the brain, for the mind, engage in hobbies and leisure activities. It's not just work, work, work. You need to play as well. Na may ara na sa unang ginamba nga work hard, play harder. I think that's do ka namin man na siya because nga dira ka kakuha sang endorphins mo, no? Dira ka kakuha sang happiness and joy mo to recharge yourself and then build meaningful relationships. I overemphasize also meaningful relationships. Sometimes we allow ourselves to be in toxic relationships and it actually occupies a lot of our mental space. No, hindi na kita ka-work sa mayo and our personal lives. Instead of resting, we're dealing with the problems in a bad or toxic relationship. So build meaningful relationship. And lastly, get 8 hours of sleep and hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Oh, ang pinaka-last gali, don't forget to breathe. Breathe because you're giving your body the opportunity to breathe in life. No?
Yes.
So we need that, right? So those are the tips for work-life balance.
Yes, thank you so much, good Coach Shea. Very agree gid recharge physically, spiritually, mentally, socially. Never forget to give time to yourself.
Correct. Kay silingan ni Michelle, take good care of yourself. Kay pasalamatan gilakadlaw when you go older or pasalamatan mo ang younger self mo. It is because pilakadlaw kay basi gatililig ng mga joints mo kay nasubrahan ka happenings. so Chin, sige.
Yes, no. So sa aton mga viewers, actually, this is a big opportunity, especially in this generation na may ara na kita yung coaching session na ginatawag. Unlike us before nga self-experience based na lang sa observation with others, kumbaga dirato niya, kumbaga nga basis dati in starting our careers. At least now, you have someone to go to in case you have some doubts when it comes or when you're starting your career.
Correct.
You have someone to go to na.
And add ko man Coach Shea and Ching. Sa subong daan nga Ching po, subong the knowledge nga makuha mo into socials kag sa social media and sa mga videos nga makita mo. So dapat correct gid ang pag-interpret nimo kag dapat correct ang mga taho nga ginasundan mo or gina-follow nimo para maka-guide na siya throughout your career, professional life kag personal life.
Yes, that's correct, partner. No? So Coach Shea, would you like to invite our viewers as well with regards to your webinar?
Yes. So I have an upcoming webinar called Clarity and Direction. This webinar is actually ideal for those who are fresh graduates from college or senior high. And then for those who are doing a career change. Now, kung gusto nyo mag-pursue some different career or maybe thinking about it or maybe you're feeling like duway yung direction ko buhi ko man, paano ko mag-grow? I invite you to attend my webinar on August 16. That's a Friday. And we'll start at 7 p.m. Please see the poster and then you can also go to my FB page to Next Learning FB page and find the registration details there. So this is good also for those who are doing strategic planning. Like, time actually flies by so fast. Before we know it, it's already 2025. So before we get into the Burr months, mag-strategic planning na ta for ourselves, and that webinar, Clarity and Direction, is a perfect venue for it. So I invite you to join, and let's have a good conversation. Let's continue this conversation over there.
Yes. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Shane, for giving us your time. So sa ating mga viewers, do not forget her upcoming webinar for you to join also.
Thank you.
Thank you again, Ma'am Shea, for your time.
Thank you as well.
last July 15, we launched our graduation raffle as a treat para sa aton nga mga graduates nga naga-work hard kag naga-strive gid sa ilang nga pag-eskwela. Ang ginobra nila is gin-follow lang nila kag gin-like ang aton nga social media page insurancecode.ph kag nag-like sa announcement post. Ging-share man nila ini sa ilang nga social media nga individual profile pages. So nga may caption, why insurance is important to them as a graduate. And last Friday, nag-draw kami sa winners. Aton inilang taon.
Hello everyone! Last July 15, as you can remember, nag-post ng insurance ko sa amon nga Facebook page with regards to the graduation raffle para sa aton nga mga graduating or graduates of class 2024. So paano bala kita ni mag-qualify sa aton nga graduation raffle? So first is that our graduates must be 18 to 65 years old and must be graduating for the year 2024. How to join the raffle? One is that they need to follow and like our Insurance Co FB page and then together with the announcement post of the raffle. Second is that they need to share our announcement post, and then on their respective social media profile they need to add also a caption why insurance is important. And the second step is by joining or commenting, tagging your friends, 3 friends, and then sharing it to the respective profile as well, and then putting a caption why insurance is important. So with regards to the picking of our lucky winners, let us welcome our HR and Admin Compliance Manager, Miss Margarita Solas, to do the honor. Hi, ma'am. So are you ready?
Yes.
All right. So here is our fishbowl. As part of the requirement, you need to pick 5 lucky winners for our free insurance.
Okay. Okay, so our first winner is Rolilyn Toledo Isigan.
Thank you.
Next is congratulations to Miss Geraldine Villanueva. The third winner is Miss Kimberly Romano.
All right. 3 out of 5. Okay.
Second to the last, we have here Miss Cheryl Joyce Mebato. The last but not the least, congratulations to Miss Jeremy Salazar Habay.
Yes, there we go. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Alright, again to the 5 lucky winners, we would like to congratulate you. You won free insurance. So kindly expect a communication from one of our team from Insurance Co with regards to availing your free insurance. So again, congratulations, and Ma'am Rita, thank you so much for your time. Alright, partner, congratulations gid sa tanan nga winners nga napilian sang aton nga graduate raffle. But wait, partner, may ara pa gid kita nga bonus prize para sa ila. All the winners will have the opportunity to be coached by Coach Shay for 2 sessions to help you jumpstart your professional careers. We are hoping gid na maging guide ang coaching sa inyo nga careers.
So, sila nga nila sa pagtapos ang chapter sa pag-eskwela, nag-umpisa naman kahapon ang bagong school year. So, bilang nanay, partner Ching, ano naman ang mga tips nga mahatag mo sa ating mga viewers, kag ano mga basics nga kinahanglanon para preparahan ang pag-umpisa sa bagong school year?
Yes, importante, partner, gid nga maging organized. So sa mga mommies no, kag also sa mga daddies, prepare ang kinahanglanon sa aton mga kids like notebooks, pens, books, bags, and ang uniforms. Syempre makahimo kita sa study schedule and buligan ang aton kids to follow that said schedule. Makabuligan ini set sang discipline. So ikaw balaya, partner, may ara ka man sang study schedule sa ikaw estudyante pa.
Study schedule do hindi ko gid na madumdumam ko mayara ko na mo. Pero gapati ko ya nga mahayaw gid ko nga estudyante. Then ang akong partner naman ma-advise no para sa mga students is mag-set sila sa mga realistic goals. Hindi sila magpatama not to do much at once, hindi sila magpatama nga to do much sabay-sabay gid. So ang obrahan nila is to break down ang goals into smaller then para at least ma-manage nila ang task nila.
Yes, insakto gina partner. Kag kung nabudlayan ang mga estudyante no, hindi gid mahuya or never hesitate nga mangayo sa bulig from their parents, siblings, teacher, may tutor, or even sa close friends.
Correct, partner. Importante man ang physically and mentally healthy ang aton nga mga kids para ma-enjoy gid nila ang ilang nga journey sa pag-eskwela.
Yes, and speaking of physical health, partner, no, pinagasulod na kita subong sa tig-ululan as we experience every day na lately, no, or ang ginatawag naton nga La Nina, maghalong gid kita sa mga masakit pareho sa dengue. So ang DOH ang nagpagawa sang ilang nga 5S strategy para matap na ang dengue. So first is ang search and destroy, second self-protection measures para pareho sa pagsuksok sang long sleeves, paggamit sa mosquito repellent kapag install sang screen sa aton nga mga bintana kag portahan. Third, seek early consultation kung makabatsyag sang sintomas sang dengue. Aton fourth is support fogging or spraying, and 5 is stay hydrated.
Correct, partner. Wala taman ginapangayo nga magkasakit sa dengue pero maayo gid na ang handa kita. So ang insurance ko is may ara duha ka dengue products nga gina-offer naton sa public naton. May ara kita individual and for groups na dengue products. For ang una naton is for the individual or retail products is a Medicash Dengue ni siya. It provides 10,000 cash assistance when an insured individual is diagnosed with dengue. Pag na-diagnose ka ng dengue, may ara ka dayan instant na 10,000 na benefits. As a first diagnosis nga only health insurance, it pays cash benefit out even if the insured is not confined. Iskan wala ikaw na confined sa hospital. The receipts and the hospital billings are not required to claim, and the benefit is paid on top of the benefit received from PhilHealth or kung may ara ikaw na HMO coverages. So, tagpila ini 350 pesos lang ni sa 1 year nga coverage. This product is distributed by Insurance Co and insured by Pioneer. So, tama ka barato, di ba?
Yes,
partner?
350.
Correct. Ang ikaduha naman natin nga dengue product is called Dengue RX. Intended ni siya para sa mga groups, sa mga group associations naton or sa basta groups lang siya. May ara ini nga duha ka variant. Ang dengue adult that covering ages 21 to 59 years old, kag ang dengue junior natin 0 up to 20 years old. This one naman is a 30,000 hospitalization reimbursement. When an insured individual is hospitalized due to dengue, it provides may ara siya nga benefit nga 30,000 hospitalization reimbursement. Then it also provides or includes 10,000 accidental death and disablement. So nami gid siya nga package. Dengue adult is 150 pesos, kag ang dengue junior naton is 500, 1 year coverage na ina. So this product naman is powered by Insurance Co and insured by PhilHealth. For more details about these products, you may visit our website www.insuranceko.ph/sa shop namon or contact us directly sa Messenger gamit ang inyong Messenger sa Facebook.
So very informative gid actually, partner, ang
Okay.
aton nga webinar, no, from tips on applying, on how to land a job, how to prepare yourself for the career you've chosen, and also on how to we protect ourselves against dengue. So we hope gid nga sa aton nga mga viewers, no, damo gid kamo nga napulot, and we are hoping also nga naging helpful man ang episode sa amon nga webinar today.
Correct, partner. Salamat sa pag-upod ninyo sa amon sa subong adlaw. Kung may ara ka mga questions or inquiry, do not hesitate nga mag-message sa amon nga FB page or magbisita sa amon nga opisina diri sa Insurance Co, 3rd floor, A&L Building, E. Lopez Street, San Vicente, Haro, Iloilo City. Sa liwat, ako gali si Arman.
Kag ako naman si Ching. This is Insurance Connect.
Sa Insurance Co, sure ka dito!